Making a multi-billion-dollar decision about where to expand globally without clear data is like just setting money on fire. However, this innovative laundry app startup refused to let that money burn. Instead, we built a system that cut the decision time in half and gave them a 70% guarantee of profitability within 6 months for every new market entered. I'm going to break down the approach we took on this project. It's about moving from risky assumptions to confident profitability and growth. And that's exactly what this innovative laundry app startup achieved. In this video, I'll relay the exact challenges they faced, the custom machine learning solution we deployed, and the incredible quantifiable results that led them to profitability in international markets. You'll see how even lean teams can leverage advanced analytics. Stay until the end, and I'll show you where to download the full case study for even more detailed and insight you can apply to your own expansion goals. They wanted international expansion, but they knew it was a high risk game if you just guessed. Their team was dependent on spreadsheets and manual research. They couldn't dig deeper into the data to generate actionable insights. Their lean internal staff lacked the advanced data science expertise needed for predictive analytics and machine learning. Their decisions were based on assumptions without data-backed projections. This created a high-risk scenario for international market entry. They needed to deliver profitability within 6 months in any new market. The pressure was on, and traditional methods weren't going to help. So, how did they shift from the guesswork to a 70% guarantee of profitability? They embraced a robust, data-driven market entry model. First, we built a tailored machine learning model. This wasn't off the shelf. It integrated both public and internal data to predict profitability in potential markets within the critical 6-month window. Next, using R, we leveraged powerful machine learning algorithms. This delivered precise, reliable forecasts considering factors like customer trends, market dynamics, and competitor presence. Then we automated data extraction, cleaning, and pre-processing. This significantly cut down the time to insight and enhanced accuracy. Our model was fully integrated into our clients' existing data infrastructure. This ensured fast and frictionless adaptation, meaning their lean team could actually use it, not just look at it. This comprehensive approach meant decisions weren't just data-backed, they were fast and reliable, even with a lean analytics team. Out of the 7 new markets entered, 5 achieved profitability within the targeted 6-month window. This wasn't luck. It was about reducing financial risk through accurate forecasting and reallocating resources to high potential regions. Automation of data workflows have data preparation and analysis time. This enabled quicker decision-making cycles and faster market launches. Strategic market selection boosted returns by 25%. This was driven by lower acquisition costs and optimized resource allocation in profitability markets. The success shows that even lean teams can leverage advanced analytics for international growth. Predictive modeling significantly reduces market entry risk. Advanced analytics skill sets can transform business decision-making anywhere.